Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we're back on our normal stomping ground, the downtown Cato Paphos Promenade. We're going to go for a little walk on a stormy, windy, dampish day, but the sky is absolutely spectacular. And before we do, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Miss Odchin. Gracias la bouffe.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again, so stick with us. We're going to storm the Cato Paphos Promenade, and in fact the blue Mediterranean Sea is already storming the Cato Paphos Promenade. Have a look at that. It doesn't get much chopsier than that. Well, in fact it does. There's the chopsiest girl in downtown Cato Paphos.
Why I'm chopsy, Mr. Paul? Because my clothes is going because of the wind, up and down, left and right, there, here, yeah?
Yes, that's correct. So stick with us. We're going to go down. Should we go down that way?
Oh dear, if you want me to die, then take me
I think
that
we
way.
will. I think we'll go that way.
Oh,
because it could be that little bit more fun.
You know, Mr. Paul, you're a killer. You're a killer.
Well, it's all about the excitement and the fun. Stick with us. We'll see if we can get down there without getting attacked by these rather chopsy waves. Come on, Gracias. Here we go.
Mr. Paul, something wrong with you.
Well, it's all about a bit of fun and a bit of excitement. We've been cooking in downtown Cato Paphos all summer, and now the weather's changed. We're in the middle of autumn, and well, the sea has decided to put up a little bit of a fight. But we understand it's very, very warm indeed. So if you are looking for somewhere to come on your holidays, to be honest, you're not going to find anything better than this. The temperature is around about 24 degrees. There's the rear end of Gracias la bouffe, running for her life. So we're now at the municipality area, and there we go. That's what it's all about, that little bit of fun. Martin, if you've seen it, I hope you're having a good laugh tonight. Maria, well, my feet are getting wet as usual. Pacific?
First of all, I don't need my dry shoes at the moment being.
Stick with us. We are going to get down the Cato Paphos Promenade, and we're going to take you with us, and we're going to show you some great views. For a start, have a look at that.
Please don't take me there. Just take your camera. No. Oh dear, oh dear.
It doesn't get much better than that. Paphos on a rather stormy afternoon. We had a massive storm over the weekend, and this is the aftermath, shall we say. But to be honest, I think it looks absolutely spectacular, and the temperature is around about 24. There's Gracias la bouffe.
Come back, otherwise I have to say goodbye, my love, goodbye. You going to Australia or China, I don't know, somewhere to reboot, because something wrong with this Mr. Paul. I hope he doesn't hear me. Oh, hey, Mr. Paul!
It's trying to eat us today, that's for sure. Stick with us. We're now going to storm the Cato Paphos Promenade, and we'd like you to come with us. We've got the Ocean restaurant over there, we've got the Leonidis restaurant over there, we've got the Athos diamond shop just there, you've got the Ideal Snack Cafe, you've got various gift shops, and then another restaurant called the Baccarat. Is that how you say that restaurant? Bacchus restaurant. And we understand that the boys have renamed it something totally different to that. And well, I ain't getting on that aeroplane, less of that jibber jabbering, that's for sure. And that sounds like a plan to us. The views off the Cato Paphos Promenade, to be honest, are absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. Let's try and grasp this one now. Digest with your eyes.
You just have been there. You have been there, and now it's washed like crazy. That piers. Oh, can you see? You've just been there.
Let's go over to the pier and show you what Krasiv
You've just been there. You see where you've been.
On about.
And it's now. You see now what's gonna be. Look, wow. Look. You've been there.
Stick with us. Let's get down the promenade. Great day today. There's a lot of people walking around. That's for sure, because of course it's quite cool. 24, 25 degrees, nice breeze. And there's a big bird up in the sky. EasyJet is bringing in 250 wonderful people who are going to have a great holiday indeed. That's for sure.
The sky is blue. Mr. Paul is totally in blue. His even up and down underwear is blue. And all is missing is you. So get yourself on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy, because Cyprus is simply waiting for you.
Doesn't get any better than that. The most beautiful woman in the world, reciting her lines to absolute perfection. Have a look at that view again. It's truly breathtaking. The downtown Paphos Promenade on a rather, well, windy autumn afternoon. And the blue Mediterranean Sea, you can see out in the distance it's blue, but as it's coming in, well, it's chopping up and bringing everything it possibly can with its sand, stones, tourists, you name it, it's coming ashore. And well, it's given a licking and a lacking to the downtown Paphos Promenade, that's for sure. But there's an awful lot of people sitting around and they're having the time of their life, because it really is absolutely beautiful. In the middle of October, 24, 25 degrees. Well, you can get yourself on a big bird, pop over here in about 2.5 to 3 hours, and then you can have a beautiful holiday indeed. As we come around now, we're going to go into the Paphos harbour. There's the old ruins on the edge. There's some big boats, some small boats. There's the fort. And as we come back into the harbour, obviously because of the weather, well, the big boys, that's the Ocean Flyer and the Ocean Vision, even they have stayed in port today, because that weather is that little bit chopsy, that's for sure. Krasiv.
It's not the lakiest lake in the world today, the sea, I mean. Yes, that's for sure, Mr. Paul.
Yes, the lakiest lake of all. Just over there on that parade of shops, you've got the Captain's View restaurant on the upper floor, and you've got the Captain's Bistro on the dining floor. Great place to go and get a coffee. Well, whatever you want, to be honest. You do a very nice breakfast, by the way. The man in charge outside, well, his name's Mr. Michael. He's dressed head to toe in blue, except for his hat, but it is quite a nice hat. There he is on the end, talking to one of his gumbarus. So he's the man in charge today. His name is Mr. Michael, so if you want to pop in there, go up to him and say, hey, Mr. Michael, we like your hat. There's a couple of gumbarus on Mr. Tito's electric scooters, terrorising the Paphos Promenade, that's for sure. Krasiv.
I think the rain is coming, Mr. Paul. Do you know that?
I think we're going to have a bit more rain, yeah. I think we are going to have a bit more rain, that's for sure.
Yeah, and we don't have umbrellas this time because they're broke.
They're already broken.
Thank you, Mr. Ritchie.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Ritchie. Are you going to give him his favourite word?
Well, Mr. Ritchie is especially for you. Another lovely man is you.
Yeah. Superstar amongst superstars, Mr. Ritchie, and the beautiful, the way beyond beautiful, Miss
Suska.
Miss Suska, that's it. Absolute superstars amongst superstars. They come to Paphos quite often because they seem to buy works of art and take them back with them, and then they send us pictures of all these various bits and bobs that they bought. They very much like Paphos, that's for sure, and hopefully you're going to come back next year, and if you do, well, we will meet you with open arms. If you want to be picked up from the airport, drop it in the comments, I'll pick you up, and I won't even charge you, that's for sure.
And because you're a godfather, sorry, you are renaming, because of your pronunciation, all the names and all the hotels. Miss Suska, forgive him, he used to call you Suzuki.
Yes, but I do like Suzukis, so they have a place in my heart. They're very honest, and they're very reliable, and they're very honourable indeed, which of course, that is what you are. The most beautiful woman in the whole world, that's for sure. Well, except for my most beautiful woman in the world, which is misogyn. Krasivia, Nabu.
I'm afraid our friends are not here today. They all gone, except Jenny the best.
Except Jenny the best. Jenny the best is still in town. Let's go and have a word with Jenny the best. There she is. She's on the phone. Always colourful, always beautiful. There she is. If you want some braiding done, well, this could be the ladies come. You choose the twine, you choose the various beads. There's some of her previous victims, shall we say. And one of these days, she's even threatened to braid the life out of me. Krasivi?
Yes, she does a really, really nice, perfect job. Depends on what you need, yeah? She will braid out the life of you.
She'll braid the life out of you.
She'll braid the life
out of you. That's right.
And
She's
not
a very,
only
very
the
good
life
braid.
out of
Not only the life. She'll have a nice
and
chat
some
with
money,
you
of course.
Well, yeah, she is going to bleed the life out of your wallet if you allow her to, that's for sure. But of course, most people are going to do that. But there is a nice way and not such a nice way. She's always got a great, great smile. She does a great, great service. And we know many, many people who have had the life braided out of them. And they said, well, when they come back, they're going to let her braid the life out of them again. Let's show you that beautiful, beautiful chopsy sea. Beautiful blue sky. Have a look at that. We're now that little bit closer to the downtown Cato Paphos harbour, and you can see there's some works of art up in the sky, but it does look absolutely spectacular. A busy day for Paphos Airport today, because if you look up yonder, there's another big bird coming in, and yet again it's bringing in another 250-ish people to party the week or the fortnight away, that's for sure. Because if you're looking for somewhere to go on your holidays, Paphos is one of the greatest places in the world. Have a look at that for a rear end. It doesn't get much better than that.
You know, I'm getting excited in such a weather. And I'm so crazy. And you, Mr. Pope, you can go and swim in this weather. We would like to tell you many, many thanks for watching. And we would like to tell you that many thanks as possible. Because you know why? We're loving you to bits. And we're waiting for you to come and see another of our madnesses. Many kisses. Woohoo!
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, come back for a little bit more of our madness. It's getting breezier and breezier. Now, if you remember our last little rainy video in Paphos, it got worse and worse and worse. And I know, yes, the production was worse and worse, but also the weather. And the weather is rapidly deteriorating today. It looks as though downtown Paphos is going to be battered by yet another storm. So don't forget to come back that little bit later, and you never know, we might capture that little storm, and you might find me and Miss Krasivi booth on a canoe paddling our way off to downtown Cato, Australia, because we're looking for that little bit of winter sun. Krasivi?
Many kisses again and again. Thank you for watching again and again. We're loving you to be. Don't forget to come and see another Mr. Rich of our madnesses. Bye.